can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, what?
No, don't answer me. Say what I say. Okay.
Okay, what?
You have beautiful eyes. You have beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
Oh, hey. Where'd you come from? Hey, where'd you come from?
I was born in St. Louis.
Do you want me to pet your head? Well, do you want me to pet your head? I bet you want your head scratched. I bet you want your head scratched.
No, why? We still have a lot to talk about.
I bet you want... Don't you snap at me. You're lucky I don't punch you right in the face. Don't snap at me like that. You're lucky I don't punch you in the face. Oh, I remember you. How could I forget those big hairy nipples? How I remember you? How could I forget those big hairy nipples? I can almost smell your stinky fanooter from here. I can almost smell your stinky fanooter from here.
Harry!
Now what are you staring at, you ugly monkey? Now what are you staring at, you ugly monkey?
Jessica, who's this?
It's Harry, Dad.
Why is he talking to you like that?
He's special.
Oh. Hi, Harry.
Hey. Bark, bark!
Dinner's ready.
What are we doing sitting around yapping?